Well, welcome to another nature walk talk. Only today we're having a little nature walk sit because I'm with my dog, Samson, who many of you know. One of Samson's favorite things is to sit out on the beach, and here we are. Samson is 17 years old and just delights in every moment he can be outside, like me. And so whenever we can, we come and we just sit. He likes to take in the breeze. And given the state of the world, and as many of you know, I lived in California for many years, watching the news and feeling such incredible compassion and empathy and sorrow for the people who are in Southern California who are going through this devastation. And it's so incredible. As I said that, I looked up, and I'm going to show you, and maybe you can see, there's a beautiful white great egret here on the beach. It's incredible because the egret is about hope and courage. I will tell you that's the first egret I've ever seen on the beach in Miami Beach. And for those of you who know me, you know that I don't take these symbols and signs lightly. So whenever you're feeling like the world is just too much, find your place in nature, settle in, and just observe. I'll show you that egret again. So from Samson and me, I wish you a very good day, and I'll see you on my next nature walk or nature sit. Oh, here goes the egret. Bye for now.